Web.com website hosting review, usage experience. Links to Web.com are in the description below. Web.com is a hosting provider designed for small businesses and individuals looking for an all-in-one solution that offers both website hosting and website building tools. Their plans come with a focus on simplicity, making them a good choice for beginners or those who want to launch a site without much technical know-how. Starting with their shared hosting plans, Web.com offers affordable, feature-rich packages with everything you need to get started. These plans include unlimited bandwidth, free domain registration, and email hosting, which is ideal for small businesses and entrepreneurs looking to establish their online presence. With easy-to-use control panels and the ability to install popular content management systems like WordPress, Web.com makes managing your website hassle-free. One of the standout features of Web.com is its Website Builder. It's an intuitive drag-and-drop platform, which makes it ideal for beginners and small business owners who need to build a professional website without hiring a developer. You get access to pre-built templates, a variety of customizable design elements, and tools to integrate your site with social media and e-commerce platforms. For users who need a little more power, Web.com offers virtual private server, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting options. These plans come with more resources, better performance, and the flexibility to customize your server to meet your growing needs. SSL certificates, enhanced security features, and scalability are included, making them a solid option for those running online stores or applications. In terms of support, Web.com offers 24/7 customer service via live chat, phone, and email. Their support team is reliable and provides assistance for everything from website building to server management. In conclusion, Web.com is a great option for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and beginners who need a simple, reliable hosting solution with great website building tools. Whether you're starting a blog or building an e-commerce site, their all-in-one service helps you get online quickly and efficiently.